A day in the life of rural primary school student. What if getting an education meant working for more than 1 hour every single day? What if your journey to school took you across steep hills, narrow paths, forests, streams, and mud roads before you even entered a classroom? Your millions of children around the world, education began long before the first lesson of the day. Today, we follow the journey of rural primary school students in the rural and discover determination, resilience, and hope that drive children to pursue education despite the challenges they face. Some of African country has made remarkable progress in expanding access to the education across the country. Children attend school every day with dreams of building a better future for themselves, their families, and their communities. But while some students travel to school by car, bus, or motorcycle, many little children still begin their day on foot. For the student whose journey we are following today, reaching schools require approximately 1 hour and 10 minutes of walking, and this journey repeated every school day. The journey begins as the morning sunrise over the hills. Children leaving their homes and begin making their way toward school. Some carry backpacks filled with books and notebooks. Others carry only few exercise books in their hands. Along the way, students pass through small trading centers and local communities. For some children, this may be the only opportunity to buy a small snacks before school begins. In the rural communities, breakfast is often simple. Some children may leave home after eating sweet potatoes, leftovers from the previous meal, or whatever food is available that morning. Yet regardless of their circumstances, the journey continues step by step, year after year, day after day. So the path to education is not always easy. The road crosses steps, slopes, and rough terrain. Some sections are narrow and difficult, especially for younger children. During the rainy season, these paths can become slippery and dangerous. Students walk through areas covered with bushes and vegetations. They navigate routes that demand both patience and determination for a 7 or 8-year-old child. What may seem like a simple path can feel like a long and demanding expedition. Yet every morning, these young runners continue forward because at the end of journey rise opportunity. Along the route, there are natural water resources where local residents collect water. These places are important to the community and provide relief during hot days. Nearby are open space where children gather to play football after school. The playing field may not have perfect grass or modern facilities, but they are filled with laughter, friendship, and imagination. Here, childhood continues despite the challenges of their life. Further ahead, a standard bridge connecting communities separated by a river. For many students, crossing this bridge is another step toward their education. Bridges like these represent modern infrastructure. They connect children to knowledge. They connect dreams to possibilities, and they connect today students to tomorrow opportunity. So after more than 1 hour of walking, the school finally comes into view. Classrooms appear among the surrounding buildings. For the students, this marks the end of the one journey and the beginning of another. Inside these classrooms, children learn mathematics, science, languages, social studies, and many other subjects that will help shape their future. Teachers work every day to guide and inspire their students. Staff members prepare lessons, organize activities, and support the learning environment. Education here is not simply about passing exams. It is about creating possibilities. In recent years, school feeding programs have helped many students remain focused throughout the day. For some children, the meals received at school is an important part of their life nutrition. A student who is well fed is better prepared to learn, participate, and succeed. Within these classrooms are students with different backgrounds, different stories, and different dreams. Yet they all share one common goal, is to learn. Perhaps the most remarkable part of this story is what happened when examination day arrives. On that day, the child who worked for over an hour to reach school sit the same national examination as the children from larger cities. The same examination, the same question, the same opportunity. A student from remote rural community, student from any city, student from wealth family, student from modest background, all are given the chance to prove what they have learned. And sometimes the child who traveled the longest distance achieves extraordinary results. Many successful leaders, professional teachers, engineers, doctors, and innovators once began their journey in a classroom. Just like this, some walked a long distance, some started with limited resources, yet education opened the doors that changed their lives forever. The child making this journey today could become tomorrow teacher, tomorrow engineer, tomorrow entrepreneur, tomorrow minister, or tomorrow innovator, helping solve some of the world's biggest challenges. This story is not only about one child. It represents the experiences of many students who overcome obstacles in pursuit of education. Their journey reminds us that determination is often stronger than difficulty, that dreams can grow in any village and a classroom and in a community, and that every child deserves the opportunity to learn, grow, and succeed. Thank you for joining us on this journey through rural education in some country in Africa. If you enjoyed this documentary, please like, share, and subscribe to support more stories that highlight education, opportunity, and community development. This is Uburezi Rwanda TV. Until next time, keep planning, keep exploring, and keep believing in the power of education. Bye bye. God bless you.